I dropped a single cube into the toilet bowl. A lovely clean scent emanates from it for 2 weeks. And I don't even have to lift a finger. A simple bar of soap saves me a lot of time when it comes to bathroom cleanliness. Initially, you need to grate it on a coarse grater. It's the cheapest disinfectant. It cleans tough stains superbly. Additionally, the essential oils it contains have an intense scent. We transfer the soap shavings to a bowl. You get about 3 handfuls from 1 bar of soap. Then, we add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. It's one of the most popular agents used in cleaning bathroom surfaces. It removes water deposits and stains excellently. It also adds 2 tablespoons of coarse salt. It has properties for clearing pipes. It also participates in the chemical process of water softening. The next ingredient is water. I add 2 tablespoons. Thanks to it, the ingredients will combine to form a uniform mass. It's important for it to be sticky. With my hands, I form small balls from it. I knead them firmly to maintain their shape. I set them aside to dry on a board. In the meantime, I take a disposable mask. I cut one side. I cut off the elastic band and set it aside. It will come in handy later. I unfold its layers to create a pocket. It's this pocket that I put the dried balls into. I tie the whole thing together at the end with the elastic band. We put the prepared sachet into the cistern. I secure it to a fixed part of the mechanism. It's important for it to be submerged in water. I close the cistern, and it's ready. These balls last for 2 weeks. They clean the toilet bowl with every flush. You can literally see the foam in the bowl. They smell lovely and prevent limescale from building up inside the toilet. I no longer have to clean the toilet every other day.